How to change language on the Shein app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change the language in the Shein app in just few easy steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Shein app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in the profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after tapping on that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. And once here you are in the settings section, simply tap on the option label language. And a list of available language will appear. So if your location is set to USA, you will typically see English and Espanol as option, but if your location is set to different country, you may see more language choices. Now select your preferred language and the app will update accordingly. And that's it. Now you know how to change language on the Shein app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.